Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. And now we are going to discuss about our the concept of question answers in our general science. Uh, Separation of substances. Sorry. That is our heat and measurement concept. The students, please give your attendance first. I hope tomorrow you have examination and the motion and the time. Be concentrate on it. Heat and measurements in this one. Yesterday we already completed the 7th question answer. Now we are going to discuss about the remaining question answers. Here there is up to 7th question answer. What the 7th one? Yeah, there is a Jyoti was prepared to measure the temperature of hot water with the clinical thermometer. It is a right or wrong? Why? Why it is in case wrong? Okay, when you take temperature measurement purpose for the clinical thermometer, it is not a correct thing. Why we said it is not a correct thing? Why? Because it is a contained. Actually, there is a less measurement scale only. There is a low measurement scale is only available for us. And what is that? There is a one you take here. The measurement scale it is taken as 95 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit, or maybe 95 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit is only available for it. That's why there is a hot water. There is a hot water means what? It should be compulsory. Our body temperature is only 37 degrees centigrade. When we feel it as a hot water, when it is greater than the 37 degrees centigrade, at that time only it will feel as a hot water. Okay, for this purpose we have to measure that hot water purpose. Got it or not, all the students? For the measuring the hot water purpose, you compulsory take our laboratory thermometer only, yes, which is measure the all the values from the 0 to the 100 degrees centigrade. That's why only that is not possible in our clinical thermometer. That's why only we are not use our clinical thermometer for measuring the hot water temperature. That is only the 7th answer we have to write here. Okay, main thing, our body temperature is only 37 degrees centigrade. We not feel as a hot that water. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Which one is called hot water for us? Which is a contain more the temperature than the 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, if in case there is it is a 40 degrees centigrade also, 40 degrees centigrade also, yes, it's not sometime may our body not feel as hot. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Why? Because our body contain nearby 37 degrees centigrade temperature. Yes, that's why we are not used our clinical thermometer for it purpose of it. Measure the temperature purpose of a hot water, it is not useful. Which one? Our clinical thermometer. Got it or? Now come to here. Come to here. There is a 8th answer. 8th answer. Whatever the 8th answer is there here. Swati kept a laboratory thermometer in a hot water. Swati kept a laboratory thermometer in a hot water for some time and took it out to read the temperature. Ronnie said it was a wrong way of measuring temperature. Do you agree with Ronnie? Explain your answer. Once again I repeat it, the question. Swati kept a laboratory thermometer in a hot water for some time and took it out, to read the temperature. Ronnie said it is a wrong way of measuring the temperature. Yeah, there is, you should compulsory take it as a continuous. Okay, now when we are not making it in the contact with the temperature, it may not given the correct thing, correct readings. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and again it is whatever it is touched with the hot water, it is reaches the temperature, and again it is about whatever the environmental temperature is there, the temperature may adapted by our laboratory thermometer when we take out from the heat water. Because of that may be not get for us as correct readings. Okay, got it or not? And now there is a come to the ninth answer. Come to the ninth answer. Here, what is the ninth answer here we have to take here? Yes, why do we check a clinical thermometer before we measure the body temperature? Okay, now there is a what may sometimes the clinical thermometer is contain the what actually. Yes, there is a what whatever the before the reading temperatures are there may be contained on that particular position only. Okay, clear or not all of it? That's why only we made like this there. Okay, because of that there is our whatever the whatever the before that whatever the level of the thermometer it is there. Okay, clear or not all students? That the thermometer may be whatever the reading is there before that. Okay, now yes, on the click it will be whatever the click position is there. On the click position there is a thermometer may go down from the click position when you jerk it is. Okay, clear or not all students? Again we will get the normal temperature, whatever the temperature is the touch with the other body. Okay, clear or not all of it? That is only the ninth answer we have to take here. Got it or not? The clinical thermometer, there is a what will be there after the bulb. This is the bulb, and there is a what in a capillary tube like this nip will be there. Okay, now yes, because of that there is a main is a hold on that particular whatever the temperature we measured before that. Okay, clear or not all the students? Whatever the temperature we measured before that, it will be may hold on that particular place only for the disturb that particular place. And as we want to change the mercury height, whatever before that you have to measure. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes. That is only we have to do for the ninth answer. Okay. Yes. Whatever the doubts are there, I will give the latter. First we have to complete the question and answers. Then after we will go with your individual doubts. Okay. Now there is a come to here 10th answer. Whatever the 10th answer is there. Okay. What is the 10th answer? Heat energy is converted into other form of energy. Give some examples. You know very well. The conservation of energy principle may be considered here. Heat energy converted into another form of energy. Yes? Another form of energy. Got it or not? Yes? That is when we are taken our heat energy, yes, not only the heat energy. Yes, all the energies are may converted to other form of energy. That is only called what? Conservation of energy law. What is that? Conservation of energy law. Energy is not created by us, and as well as the energy is not destroyed by us. It will be remains unchanged. It remains unchanged. Clear or not all the students? It remains unchanged. Yes. But it is a changes from one form to the another form. This is only called what? A conservation of energy. It is a called what? Conservation of energy. It is a conservation of energy we are taking here. Got it or not, all the students? Yes. And now there is, you come to here, our heat energy may convert into another energy. The heat energy may convert into the what? Electric energy also. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is a convert into electric energy. You know very well about this thing. Where in thermal power station, the heat energy may convert into electric energy. Okay, indirectly, when we burn the fuels by heat, it may convert into mechanical energy. Clear or not, all of you? The heat energy may convert the fuel into the mechanical energy. Okay, clear? And as well as the heat energy may sometimes provide the light energy also. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, because of that matchbox is heated, matchstick is heated, that whatever the phosphorus is there at the end, that is heated, that is a convert into light energy. Clear or not, all the students? Like that, heat energy may convert into light energy, and as well as heat energy may convert into electrical energy. Okay, there is so many of mechanical energy also. Heat energy may convert mechanical energy also. The expansion of liquid is nothing but what? Expansion means what? The length is a changes. Length change is nothing but mechanically the particles are moved from one place to the another place. Okay, that expansion of the liquid is a one such type of a mechanical energy only. It is a coming because of what? It is a coming because of heat energy. I hope you got it. Yes, the heat energy convert into electrical energy, mechanical energy, light energy. So many examples are there. Okay, now you take it as example as a thermal power station, and as well as when we are whatever the at the matchstick burn, because of what? Because of the heat only, but it is a produce of what? Light energy. Then it is a burn. Yes, like that, so many energies are may get for us because of heat energies, and so many chemical reactions are also okay now going by the our heat energy only. Yes, and expansion of liquid is give the proof of mechanical energy, which is converted from the heat energy only. Yes, this is about our 10th answer. Now come to the 12th answer. Sorry, 11th answer. Come to the 11th answer. There is, it is a page number is taken from year 51. Page number 51 we are taken here, all this. 11th answer. What is the 11th answer we are taken? Fatima said, heat is a form of energy. How did you support her? Okay, already we are discussed, Nana. There is a what? Heat is energy form only. Heat is a energy form only. Why we are said heat is energy form? Why we called heat is energy form? Okay, now it make work. It have the capacity to do work. Got it or not? Heat energy is a capacity to do work. It is capacity to do work. That's why only it is a called energy. Yes, whatever the capacity to do work, it's a called energy only. Yes, here there is our heat is also made the work or not. So many things we are discussed already. Yes, when you take the heat, the water by covered by one plate, automatically because of water heat there is a vapor is produced, and that vapor may changes the position of our covered plate here. Clear or not, all the students? And moreover here, that is a 11th answer. There is, you have to give somewhat examples. Other examples are also okay now. Yes, there is a what? The heat have the capacity to do work. So many works is possible by the our heat. That whatever the works may possibilities, you have to write. Work is nothing but when we apply force, that automatically the body should somewhat displace it. The body should somewhat displace it from one place to the another place. Clear or not, all the students? And now this is only 11th answer. Come to here 12th answer. Okay now. You take example, when you provide the heat to the one substance, automatically the particles are moved from one place to the another place. Okay now. Yes, and their particles are moves from one place to the another place. It is only called what? Work. The work is done by which one? Heat energy. Okay, that's why it is energy form. Now come to here. Why the clinical thermometer is not used to measure the temperature of air? Okay, now we are not used the temperature of air by using the clinical thermometer. Why? Because air is not contain every time the same temperature. Okay, now may it is a contain the temperature below that whatever the reading is there. Okay, clear or not all of you? And air is not a fixed, it will be. Mr. Manisujan, please stop your messages. Yes, it's not from my side problem, may it is from your side only. How many times you are messaged me? It is a manners. Stop it. Stop that chat. It is your problem. Once you are may it is given once, it is not a problem. Yes, there is a till 7 times and 8 times the same message repeated. No other students are given this one, na? Yeah, there is about 12th answer, and here whatever the thing we are consider for it is a clinical thermometer purpose. It is may sometimes a maximum or may sometime it is a minimum. Got it or not? May sometimes it is a maximum, may sometimes it is a minimum. It is not possible the temperature. Okay, that's why what the type of a thermometer we have to use for the temperature measuring of air. It is a what actually maxima and minima thermometer may we have to use. Got it or not? This is only the information about the 12th answer. Yes, and main thing is it will be contain limited scale only. Our clinical thermometer is a contain clinical. It is a contain the what? Limited scale only. Got it or not? There is a when you take here our clinical thermometer, it will be contain the what? Just there is a only some 37 degrees centigrade to the 42 degrees centigrade it is there. And at that time, and one more thing now, when you take a clinical thermometer, you have to take a fixities for the measuring the temperature. But when it is a touch with a fixed thing, at that time only it is a giving the exact temperature. Why? Because it is a very small range of measurement only. Clear or not all the students? And because of that, when you take air, suddenly the air temperature may increases or may decreases or may less than the 37 degrees centigrade sometimes, may less than the greater than the 42 degrees centigrade sometimes. So that air temperature is a gradually changes. That's why only it is not possible to measure. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, that 12th answer once again I repeat it here. Listen carefully. When you take our clinical thermometer, it contain only the fixed measurement thing, and as well as fixed measurement scale and very small range of measurement scale only. There is a what it contain the what actually 35 degrees centigrade to the 42 degrees centigrade only. 35 degrees centigrade to the 42 degrees centigrade. Just 7 degree variations are only there. Okay, now 7 degree. In that 7 degree variation only, in that 7 degree variation, okay, now it is may not contain our air temperature. Air temperature is also may gradually changes. Suppose now at present now there is a what is the temperature it is now? What is the temperature may today? Somewhat cold temperature may it is there, somewhat at 20 degrees only. Okay, now may it is a 20 or 25 degrees centigrade only. Once taking your mobile also, it will be given weather broadcasting purpose. There is in case any app is there, may it is a given the somewhat temperatures. Digital temperatures may it is a given, but it is a recorded things may send it in that. Yes, but it will be given. May 20 degrees. It is now possible. Today 27 degrees centigrade temperature is there. One Manusrijan is a given. It is a possible to measure by our clinical thermometer? No, it is not possible. Why? Because tell me, there is no reading of a 27 degree centigrade now in our clinical thermometer. That's why it is not possible. Okay, suppose it's summer, may it is a crosses the 44-45 degrees centigrade. It is possible at that time? No, it is not have any possible at that time also. Got it or not? In this way, there is a what? Yes, it is not possible to write on the board. There is a what? It is not a single line answers. Okay, now it will be not possible to write. May not appear for you. And again, you are 7th class students. No, don't expect it is answer from the sir on the writing of board. It is don't expect it is, and you have the study materials with you. Yes, otherwise, if it is not, you have to take from your principal sir, madam or sir, the study materials. You take care of that, help of the study materials. You take help of a study material. Yes, for the throughout answer. Okay. Yes, if it is a possible, yeah, you write in your own way. Yes, after conclusion of my class, and after reading of yourself, and after take help of a study material. By these three things, you get somewhat answer. Okay, now at that time you'll get the good knowledge. When I am writing on the board, you are copied. Okay, now it is looking like a handwriting practice. No, it is not a reading and learning. It is just a handwriting practice purpose. May it is useful for you. Okay, now yes, and one more opportunity is also there for you. You make it is a pass after completion of my class. Once go through the class, and if now it is a somewhat a speed to write. Okay, now yes, with me may not, it is not possible to write here. Okay, that's why once you take here once again, yes, once see our video and you take a pass every time, pass where we are not understood, pass it, and again once play it is, you will get it is. 100 times are is possible for you or not? Yeah, 100 times is also possible to see. Okay, now there is no need of once again explanation. Okay, if you anyone is required, once again, okay, you go again after completion of class, once again you listen that. Okay, yes, now there is a what in the 12th answer. I hope you understood. Now 27 degrees only, it is not possible to measure now. That's why you have to compulsory take yes, now 27. Morning, may it is 15 only. At evening, may it is again 15 only. So in case we have the clinical thermometer, the throughout day temperature is also we not get. Okay, that's why which type of temperature, which type of a thermometer you have to use for measure the air temperature or environment, otherwise atmospheric temperature, maxima and minima. Maxima and minima, yes, thermometer you have to use for the, yes, measuring the temperature. Got it? Yes. Now which one? And our atmospheric temperature purpose. Any doubts are there from the first to 12th question answers? Any doubts are there once first to 12th? First to 12th, any doubts are there? All the students, I hope there is no doubts. First to 12th. Yeah. Then come to here 13th. Page number 40. What is the topic? Okay, tomorrow's examination. Yeah, once all the students once go through that classes now. May it is available in our previous classes also available. Yes, previous classes are also available in our app. Once go through app, yes, on that particular dates of motion and time. Okay, now lessons are there. May it is in October or November first week, November first week, May it is. Tomorrow examination you have to require today. Means what? Before the examination only you are get it is. All the doubts. Yeah, it is available now. The links are available. Yes, in the apps, everything it is available. Once go through it. Yes, all the classes links are available. Once you click on the link, you'll get it is. Got it or not, all the students? Yes, once click on the links, there it is available as a revision of the classes, it will be available. Once you go through it, yes, in the Excel format sheet it will be there. On that one, every day November dates are there, and beside the date there is a somewhat links are there. Once go through that. If you are not understood at that time also, once you message me, okay, now I will explain you. Yes, I will explain you. Yes, if you message me, I will explain you. There is yeah. Now come to here. There is a 13th answer. 11th answer already I am explained now only. Heat is energy form. May it is a what actually? 7th one. Jyoti was prepared to measure the temperature of hot water with a clinical thermometer. It is a right or wrong? Yeah, it is a wrong. The same as a 12th only. Answer is as 12th only. The main limitation of our clinical thermometer is what? It is only useful for measure the temperature between 35 degrees centigrade to the 42 degrees centigrade, or 95 degrees centigrade to the 95 degree Fahrenheit to the 108 Fahrenheit degree centigrade only. Okay, now yes, more than the temperature or less than the temperatures are not possible. Okay, less than the 35, more than the 42 degrees centigrade may not possible. That's why only we are avoid it. Yes, and next to come to your 13th answer. Next to come to your 13th answer. What is the 13th answer? Fill in the blanks. There is a given. Doctor uses the thermometer to measure the human body temperature. Tell me the 13th A answer. 13th A. What is the 13th A? Which thermometer they are used? Clinical thermometer they are used. Clinical thermometer they are used for measure the temperature. Okay, got it? And next to come to here. Yes, at room temperature, mercury is in. Yes, mercury is in which shape, which format? It is in a liquid format. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Clinical thermometer and liquid format it will be there. What is the room temperature? What is the room temperature? May it will be taken as 25 degrees centigrade to the 37 degrees centigrade. That is only, yes, called a room temperature. 25 degrees centigrade to the 35 degrees centigrade is generally taken as at a room temperature. Okay, you know very well. Minus 36 degrees centigrade it is as a, yes, it is only the melting point of our mercury. Already you know very well. Got it or not? And now there is a come to here C, answer C. Here what it is? Next one. Minus heat energy transferred from. Heat energy transferred from where? Hot body to the cold body. It is transferred from hot body to, yes, dash cold body. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This is only we are taken as a, yes, 13th C answer. Come to the 13th D. What is the 13th D? It is there. Minus 7 degrees centigrade temperature. Minus 7 degrees centigrade temperature is less than, okay, na? Yes, sorry, it is, yes, sorry, yeah, got it or not? Which one is the greatest temperature here? Our 0 degree centigrade is the greatest temperature. Okay, got it or not, all the students? There is a what we written? 0 degree centigrade is what actually is greater than the, yes, our 7 degree, minus 7 degree. Answer is less than. You have to write here the what? Less than. Understood all of the students? There is a what? A minus 7 degrees there. Okay, clear. It is a less than the 0 degree centigrade. Got it or not? Yes, that is the 13th D answer. Less than minus 0 degree centigrade. This is only about up to 13th answer we are consider. Next come to here. Yes, a 14th one. Match the following. It is a given. 14th one. Match the following is a given. Clinical thermometer. Yes, that is there is a given the what actually is different values are given here. Normal temperature of human body, heat, okay, now boiling point of water and melting point of water. Yes, there is a first one is A. Okay, A is sorry, first one it is taken as what actually here we taken second one. Yes, and as well as the third, and as well as the fourth, and as well as the fifth. There is like these things are there. Okay, now yes, here kink means what? Tied, somewhat tying, otherwise a bending, otherwise a bumping, like this, a tie. Okay, now means what? When we made the tie, what will we get? Yes, like this symbol will be get or not? Tie, mudi, chikku mudi. Okay, knick, that is only. Here there is a what will be taken as the first one. Okay, now yes, it will be taken as a what? E. Clinical thermometer is a follows a knick. It is a contain a knick in that capillary tube, before the capillary tube. And now there is a normal temperature of human body. It is a 37 degrees centigrade. It is a given in the 37 degrees centigrade. And next one it is a heat. Heat is equal to form of energy. It is a form of energy. It will be taken as A. And next to come to your fourth one. Yes, fourth one is a what? Boiling point of water. It is a what actually? B. 100 degrees centigrade boiling point. And the melting point of water, it is a 0 degree centigrade. Melting point of water, it is a 0 degree centigrade. Got it or not all the students? I hope you got it. There is a 14th answer. The match the followings are there. Okay, now yes, in that one there is a clinical, about the clinical thermometer, what is this structure based? It is a given. And normal temperature of human body, the value of normal temperature of human body, and moreover heat is a form of energy, and boiling point and melting point of waters are also you know very well. Yes, which one is called a melting point? Which the solid is convert into the liquid, it is called melting point. Which there is a what? Yes, liquid is convert into vapor, it is called boiling point. That is only 0 degrees and as well as the 100 degrees here. Then next to come to here. Yeah, 15th one. 15th. Yeah, next to come to here. Use the thermometer and record the temperature in your school daily at midday meals time. In the following table, record the temperature for a month. Okay, it is not possible for us now. Okay, it is possible in case it will be available with you. The thermometer is available. Which thermometer we have to use for this? Clinical thermometer? No, it is not possible by using clinical thermometer. You should compulsory, yes, you should compulsory take what? Which thermometer? Laboratory thermometer you have to use for it. For the 15th one purpose, you have to use the thermometer. Okay, which thermometer? Yes, laboratory thermometer. If it is not available, the thermometer you take from your mobile. Okay, in the mobile there is a regularly it will be may contain the value of temperatures at a daily midday you have to take, not for total months, you have to take it is for okay now. Yes, only 5 to 6 days it is enough. Okay, and the answer the following here now. On which day was the temperature is the highest and what could be the reason? On which day was the temperature is the highest, what could be the reason? and as well as on which day was the temperature is the lowest, what could be the reason, what was the average temperature during the month, maybe. Okay, now maybe what is the possibilities are there, in which day means what, in a 1 month there is a not get the large variations in a temperature, may it is a cloudy. Okay, clear or not all of you? Otherwise there is a air is a very cold, humidity is not there, it is a very cold air is there. Okay, around us at that time may it is a temperature may become down now. Okay, clear. Before the 5 days there is we have the hot environment. Now very cold temperature because of what, the cyclone effect. Okay, now there is a Nivar cyclone is what already perform its effect on earth. Because of that there is a temperature may decreases now. Yes, the temperature may decreases because of that cold air may come from. Yes, see that because of that there is temperature decreases. Yes, it's a winter season. More one more thing, because of that the temperature already regularly fall down. Okay, may it is sometime may it is increases also. Okay, the reasons are may the environmental effects, other may there is a whatever the sun rising positions. Okay, na, and earth rotation and revolution effects are also may given here. It is not properly one reason it is not there for the temperature. May in some time of a summer also may get the what, low temperatures. Okay, clear or not all of you? Most probably in a winter gradually the temperatures may it is a contain not above the 30 or 35 degrees centigrade. Okay, now regularly may it is not crosses 35, but in a summer may not a minimum temperature may not below the 30. I hope there is sometimes, but in a sometimes because of hailstones, otherwise because of any other temperatures, because of any other reasons of a climate may temperature decreases. Okay, now yes, and here average means what, you take a 30 values and make by 30. You know very well how to perform the average for problems. You take what, actually you take a 30, what is that, 30 different temperatures you have to take by 30. Average is equal to total number of values by sum of the total values, total number of components by, yes, total sum of components by the total number of components you have to take. How, that is average of your marks, like that only. Yes, there is a 6 subjects are there for you now. Yes, sum of 6 subjects by 6, that is only give the average marks. Like that only you take 30 temperatures in a month. For every day what is the temperature is recorded, you have to take and sum all these 30 values, and by 30 when you take it is, you will get the average temperature of that month will be get for us. Got it? Now next write here 16th answer. What is the 16th answer here? Draw the diagram of a clinical thermometer and label its parts and what the use of a kink in a clinical thermometer. Yes, and now there is a hold the temperature up to some time. Okay, that is only the kink use, and already we are completed this whatever the drawing of clinical thermometer. I am given it is as a homework for you in our previous on our completed classes. We are completely given it is. And 37th, draw the diagram of a laboratory thermometer, and how does there is it differ from clinical thermometer. It will be contain, it not contain a knick, that use of knick it may not available, and the temperature scales also very greater values are there in our yes, laboratory thermometer. That is the 18th answer. Sorry, 17th one. 18th one. Measure the body temperature between fingers and under the tongue and arm feet and folded hands and folded legs. It is the same. Does the body temperature remains the same after jumping 10 times? Why? Yeah, there is a what? There is a different temperatures may get for us. Okay, clear or not all of you? But slight difference is there. Okay, clear or not all the students? slight difference may it will be available. Okay, why? Because there is a tongue, under the tongue it will be inner part of our body. Yes, the most probably inner part of our body is a contain a greater temperature than the outer part of the bodies. Okay, clear or not all of you? Why? Because our total body covered by the skin. Because of that, there is a temperature may not totally represented by our skin. Okay, that's why only they take what actually under the tongue. But for that infant kids may not they hold by the mouth. That's why only they used either thermistor thermometer. Otherwise, they take in the what arm fit. Okay, now for the like big people, we not taken at arm fit. We are taken at the tongue only. Yes, under the tongue only. Yes, the temperatures are not same at every body. Yes, on the finger, on the leg, there is a not same. Why? Because the skin is a different from. Suppose you take on the palm, there is a one type of a skin. Under the tongue, there is another type of a skin. Okay, clear? There is a skin nature may changes from one place to the another place. Because of that, the temperature may vary, but it is a slight. There is just it is a half of the degree. Otherwise, may it is a quarter part of the degree may changes. Not varied here. But when you jump 10 times, at that time the blood circulation is increases. Okay, clear or not all of you? Blood pressure is increases. Because of that, the temperature may also increases. Clear or not all the students? Got it or not? The temperature may also increases it is. That is only about 18th answer. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, 18th answer it is. Yeah, at the end of a class, I am given homework. Don't habitate with your friends. Some of your friends written like that homework. You also written like that only. It is not a manners. So many times I am reminding you, don't misuse your chat box. It is a very valid thing for you. It is a good than the Google Meet and as well as Zoom classes. Why? Because in a Google Meet and Zoom also, okay, may not have facility to continually chat in that our doubts. Yeah, there is a what we are taken here. May it is not appear to your teacher continuously. Yes, and that's why don't misuse it. And now there is a what here, understood or not? When you jumping 10 times, when you jumping in a 10 times, at that time there is a what will be that automatically our body temperature is increases. Why it is increases? Because of blood pressure may it is increases. Clear or not all the students? And this is only about today's class. Only one answer is remain. What is that? Collect information from hospital, health center about the precautions to take in the while reading the temperature of the clinical thermometer. And two questions are remain. We discuss at later about these things. You complete today homework is you complete from 8th answer to 18th answer. 8th answer to 18th answer. 8th question answer to 18th question answer of this lesson. Write in homework notes. Write in homework notes. Okay, bye students, take care.